Stock price prediction and forecasting. Stock price prediction and forecasting involve using historical data, statistical models, and machine learning techniques to estimate future stock prices. Here's a breakdown of key approaches. 1. Traditional methods. These rely on statistical and econometric models. Moving averages MA, EMA, SMA, smooth out price fluctuations to identify trends. AutoRegressive Integrated Moving Average ARIMA, time series analysis for forecasting future prices. GARCH Generalized AutoRegressive Conditional Heteroskedasticity, models stock volatility. 2. Machine learning methods. Machine learning has become popular for stock prediction due to its ability to handle large datasets. Linear regression estimates stock prices based on independent variables like volume, trends, and economic factors. Random forest decision trees, ensemble methods that identify patterns in historical data. Support vector machines SVM, useful for classification-based predictions. Neural networks LSTM, RNNs, CNNs, deep learning models that process time series data effectively. 3. Sentiment analysis alternative data. Natural language processing NLP, analyzes news, social media, and financial reports to gauge market sentiment. Alternative data, uses search trends, credit card transactions, and satellite images for prediction. 4. Reinforcement learning algorithmic trading. Reinforcement learning, AI agents learn trading strategies by maximizing rewards. Algorithmic trading, uses automated bots that execute trades based on predictions. 5. Challenges in stock prediction. Market efficiency, the efficient market hypothesis (EMH) suggests that predicting stock prices consistently is impossible. High volatility, stocks are influenced by unpredictable events, for example, global crises, policy changes. Overfitting risks, models can learn noise instead of patterns, leading to inaccurate predictions. 6. Tools libraries for implementation. Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy. R, QuantMod, DTR, Forecast. Financial APIs, AlphaVantage, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg.
Thanks for watching.